The first and second of the most consequential truths of our time essentially revolve around the increasing instability of our world. We're experiencing accelerating planetary ecological collapse everywhere in the world. We're experiencing increasing instability and turbulence at virtually every level of human affairs. This is true no matter who you are, where you are, or what you're doing. Everyone worldwide, in some way, is experiencing deepening chaos and the reality that the center does not hold. The human species is in disarray, and we need to take this very, very seriously as the beginning point of any analysis of the state of our world.